Hello and welcome to another update video about VeChain. VeChain broke above this red trend line that we were already talking about in previous videos. We were observing this. It's an absolute important trend line, or it was an absolute important trend line because the market was sort of consolidating below it for a while here. And it was very close to the 78.6 retracement after a long downtrend. And yeah, surely one more low could be possible, is still possible, okay? But below 1.8 cents, the larger degree bullish assumption will seriously be challenged, and maybe we won't see any, let's say bullishness then anymore, because any break below that 78.6 retracement typically leads to invalidation eventually of the larger 1-2 setup we've been watching. So some kind of a signal of an upside reversal is crucial. And we've seen that now. We've seen a reaction to the orange support region of this possible 1-2 setup we talked about. The market reacted to the 50% retracement there at 2.15 cents. Now we've seen a break above the trend line and we're rallying, okay? We're moving, and the micro support, which is now relevant, is 2.372 cents. So I've added this. It will likely need to be adjusted as the price goes higher. But I've added this support area just to understand when the rally that started here with this swing low on Friday the 16th, when this rally is over. And this rally is likely going to finish, break down, fail, if there's a break below 2.37 cents. So from here, a third wave, could unfold. We could see further upside in a third wave, but the 1.38 extension needs to be reached. So yeah, it is crucial to reach that 1.38 extension level. It is normally the first ideal target for a third wave. I would normally call it a minimum target, even though it's technically not a minimum. But but it's not trustworthy if the third wave doesn't get there. And obviously, while holding that 50% retracement there at 2.37 cents, that's what we're tracking right now. There could be some structural resistance here in this area as well, around these previous swing highs at around 2.8 cents. And it is crucial to be aware of the 100% extension level. That's typically a resistance level, 2.74 cents, because let's say this is not a wave 1, this is not a wave 2, this is not a wave 3, but it's an A, B, C structure. And C waves tend to react to the 100% extension. So it could easily get rejected there. That's why we have the support area. So I'm not telling you it is a third wave. This is a roadmap we're tracking. And the analysis method allows us to understand when the market is starting to deviate from this roadmap and from this bullish potential. And that will be if there is a break below 2.37 cents. So that's key. So I've got the third wave here, the label positioned at that 1.38 extension. And the fifth wave, ideally it would get above the 1.618 extension, so above 3.18 cents. Once we have all 5 waves to the upside completed, the next pullback will be critical, because it should be ideally a 3-wave corrective pullback, holding a higher low, but we can really only expect that once we have a first 5-wave move to the upside. This is still a very fragile structure until we get all these 5 waves completed. Also, there is probably going to be some structural resistance around 3.3 cents, not only Fibonacci resistance of the 1.786 extension, but also structural resistance. So that's what we are tracking. Fib resistance and structural. So that's what we're tracking at the moment for VeChain. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.